Hey, if life were perfect, am I right? Well, it's not. Neither is Am Still Light. It's kind of boring. It didn't catch my eye. It gave you very little information about Am Still Light. And it talked more about dogs walking themselves in the magazines and smell like perfume. All I know is that it has only 95 calories, but you still get that real imported taste. You don't give up anything. Who says nothing's perfect? Well, I am still like, I'm saying your commercial is not perfect. Uh, it had nothing really going for it. The guy speaking wasn't really energetic. He kind of just he so said it. The music was bland and boring, just like the commercial. I think it needed just something more to catch your eye. The way the writing, the copywriter, he had a good idea to it. It's just there wasn't too much creativity. Heck, the most creative thing was algebra would really come in handy. That's about the funniest line there because we all know that's not true. I don't know. I think it needs a whole nother aspect to it. I think we should, or it should, have a little bit more pizzazz. Give me some more info on the bottom, not just list a bunch of things that we wish were perfect. That's my thoughts on it. This is Nathan signing out.